Good morning, Honorable Minister of State, Shri Piyush Goyal, Chairman, Shri Adi Godrej, Deans, Professors, Parents, PGB class of 2015, and the founding class of MFAB 2014. Guys, we finally made it. After all the late night discussions, fighting over disagreements in assignments, chit-chatting casually about great business ideas, cross-talks in classes, driving professors crazy, feeling responsible about entering classes at 8:59 seconds, pestering Devesh and Kavita for every small thing, giving peddlers its monthly revenue in just a day, and breaking car roofs at the after parties in parking lots. We've been there and done that. Let's have a huge round of applause for the crazy 15 months that we spent together, guys. Mr. Sanjay Singh always told us about that being the founding class, we were born risk takers. But the ISB brand and its much talked about campuses was what attracted us to take that risk. Else who would spend another 30 lakhs for a course which had never been conducted before? And damn right we were. ISB definitely left no stones unturned to make sure that it made MFAB a truly world-class program. Being chaired by a highly passionate and energetic person like Professor Kavil Ramachandran, we were sure to expect nothing less than the best. When every one of us met at the campus for the first time, we all just connected immediately. I still remember the party that happened on the first day of orientation. We were all total strangers, turning into best of buddies. What a great start to an outstanding journey it was, guys. Initially, we all thought that the challenges we faced in family businesses were unique to us. But then as we started to know each other better, we realized that we were all sailing in the same boat. We all faced similar challenges. And because of that, our sessions became really interactive. In fact, every professor complimented us on this. It's because everyone in our batch believed in sharing knowledge and information. We didn't have typical MBA atmosphere. If I tell that guy what I know, he'll probably get better grades than me. So everybody in the classroom was there to learn rather than just competing with each other for grades. And by sharing, I didn't mean during exams, so no violation of honor code here. And not that we had an option because we had cameras peeping right over our shoulders. In ISB, we've had the best faculty from all around the world who've intrigued us and questioned us at every point about our existing ways of working and managing the business. I want to thank all the wonderful professors who have pushed us to our limits, shared their wisdom with us, and gave us a fresh perspective to look at our businesses and ideas to take them forward. Throughout the course, my wife played an instrumental role by being really supportive, having confidence in me, and motivating me all the time. Thank you, Rasma, for being there. Most importantly, I want to thank the most extraordinary people in my life who made me what I am today and have guided me through all my ups and downs. Thank you, Mom and Dad, for all that you have done for me. There couldn't have been a better platform than this to express my sincere gratitude towards you both. Passing out at ISB has made me more sure of myself. Every business now seems like an opportunity waiting to be tapped in. ISB is and will always be an important part of my life. So, founding class of MFAB, this is it. We are going to be the most special class of ISB. Let's get out in the world and show them what risk takers like us can do. Let's remember the good times that we spent together and the great friendships that we made. This journey wouldn't have been so ecstatic without wonderful people like you. Today is both an ending and a beginning. Thank you.